What's up, y'all? From the top of the mountain in British Columbia. And here's what most people don't understand about the law of attraction, right? Maybe you watched The Secret, or you heard about it and you had your dream or your vision board or your goal, and then it didn't happen, right? So what people don't understand is you are a creature of your subconscious mind. You have 65,000 thoughts in a day, psychologists tell us. And they tell us 95% of them are on autopilot. They're unconscious. It's the programming that you received from your parents, from the sources around you. In fact, up until you're 6 years old, you don't even have a conscious mind, meaning you don't have conscious thoughts. You're just recording all the information and stimuli outside of yourself. So when you say, I want to make this much money, I want this house, I want to make this difference in the world, I want to travel here, I want this love life, whatever the thing that you want, that's a conscious decision. But your conscious mind only controls 5% of your life. Your unconscious is what controls your life. And that's why some people get into relationships and they always blow it the same way, because they're unconsciously pushing it away. Maybe because they saw some type of love fall apart with their parents when they grew up, or certain people never make above a certain amount of money, or whatever the case may be. Or you're driving to the store and you're texting the whole time, but you still got there and you didn't even remember getting there. Why is that? It's because you have an unconscious mind. So if you take an acorn seed and you plant it in the ground, and then you say, Jake, I didn't get an orange tree. What's up with this? Law of attraction doesn't work. You gotta understand that there's a nucleus, there's a pattern plan in the acorn that is designed to, when you put it into the ground, it attracts all the necessary requirements for it to grow into a beautiful, strong acorn tree, not an orange tree. Well, your subconscious mind is the same way. You have a nucleus. You have a pattern plan around your finances, around your love life, around your career goals, around who you think you are, your self-esteem, your self-image, and this nucleus controls your life. And the problem is that people give the law of attraction some little effort, right? And then it doesn't pan out. So they say, oh, it doesn't work. You can't just change a nucleus that fast. You have to change the entire programming. That's why you get a song stuck in your head and you can't just get it out in 2 seconds. It's programmed in your head. So if you have a big goal, whatever that goal is, and it hasn't happened yet, here's how you start to change your subconscious mind. Take out an index card or a little note and write your goal out. Whether it's a financial goal, a goal to travel around the world, it's a love goal of an ideal relationship, whatever your goal is, write it on a piece of paper. And you want to start feeding that to your mind, just like the chorus of a song. Start repeating it. You want to start imprinting it into your mind, because you have this part of your brain, it's called your reticular activating system. It focuses on whatever you give energy and attention to. That's why women say there's no good guys, and they keep finding guys that aren't good. Or other people say there's no opportunities, and they keep finding no opportunities, while the other person get rich during the depression, or the other person finds their ideal soulmate and the love of their life, and their life is amazing. It's because they're focusing on those things. They're programmed in that way. So you have to understand that the law of attraction is really, you get the unconscious programs in your life. So the way to change that is to get out an index card and write your goal down and start feeding it to yourself as much as you possibly can. And the more you do that, the more you start to change the images and programs in your mind. You heard it here first. If you can put your dreams into your nervous system, then you'll be an autopilot, a magnet for success. That's why people say, well, that person's just lucky. No, they've just programmed themselves right. This is your chance. This is your opportunity. Program your life the way you want it. You heard it first. You got it under control. Write your goal down. Put it on a piece of paper. Boom.
I'm happy being myself. Living in the world trying to make me something else. I'm happy being myself. Living in the world